Hello, welcome to my channel. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining me. Now, this is homemade plant-based pepper soup. It's a Nigerian delicacy, and I serve this with onunu, which is a plantain and yam fusion with palm oil. Would you like to know how I made this? This is such a delicious meal you need to try. Now, the basic herbs and spices, we've got black negro pepper, onions, pepper. We've got some mushroom powder, some uziza seeds, some dried shiitake mushrooms, king oyster mushrooms, and seaweed. This is kombu kelp. I also have some king oyster mushrooms. They're really delicious grilled. Okay, now we have yam, and the star is a ripe plantain. It has to be really, really ripe. Okay, and palm oil and a bit of salt. Let's get into cooking this. We've got our ingredients ready. Now, the first thing we need to do is to cut the plantains with the peel intact. The peels have got medicinal values. Now, I chopped my onions, my peppers, and ginger, and I tried to use a pestle to crush it, but it wouldn't work. So, back to the modern day, I use my blender and I just split this and chop this up nicely. In the pot, I had my dried mushrooms, my lemongrass all simmering, and then I added the spices and herbs to the pepper soup. Okay, and let it cook for about 10 minutes. And then I am going to add some yams. Yeah, yam thickens the soup and also cooks nicely in there. And I also seasoned it with salt. Leave this for another 10 to 15 minutes or more, depending on the quantity you're using. And then I'm adding the grilled king oyster mushrooms. Guys, look at this pepper soup. It looks so delicious already, so inviting, and it's so soothing. All the herbs and spices infused really help. They're soothing, they're also healing, they're actually medicinal. So you need to try this. If you've got a cold, when we were growing up, this was the go-to remedy. Okay, pepper soup. Time to make our onunu, which is the fusion of yams and plantain. This is the ripe plantain. I'm just peeling the skins off. Listen, don't try this at home if you're not used to touching hot food. And then I put the yam that was cooked in the pepper soup into this thing, and I just use a food processor. Growing up, we use a pestle and mortar, but now we use food processors. Nice and easy. You add a little bit of water. If I was making pounded yam, I wouldn't add any liquid, so it's the pepper soup stock I added here, and just bliss this thing, and it's ready to serve. Serve it nice and hot, guys, with your pepper soup, and it's so delicious. Thank you once again for watching. I hope you like this. Please like my video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye. See you soon.